Please like and subscribe.
I just got this in and I want to show it. Just kind of a look at video. This is so cool. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. I was shopping around for some gifts on Amazon and I ran into this, and it's cost $3.59. Right now it's December of 2025 on Amazon. It's the original. It says on the page, the original Slinky walking spring toy, 2.75 inches diameter, metal Slinky Fidget toy. And it just brought me back. I mean, back in the day, I don't know how much we paid for it. I wonder if we paid that much. I probably purchased this soon after it came out. Might have been the late 70s, early 80s when I purchased and got my first one. I think it was 70s. I'm not sure. Let me look it up. Okay, what I got from Google, which everybody uses to search, it came out in the 40s, and in the 70s it was worth $1. That's how much was the average price in the 70s. So this is so cool. Yes, I think this is like just like when I was a kid. Awesome. I used to spend hours and then trying to have it go downstairs. I remember the commercial, Slinky, a wonderful toy, something like that. Wow. So this is it. It's pretty heavy. And it's working. I think my friends who I give this to, I bought a few of them because I'm going to give them out as gifts. I think they're awesome to give out as gifts. And people are just really going to get a kick out of them. Hold on one moment, just make sure that I get about 2 1/4, it looks like. Total size, okay. I don't know the original total measurement, but just in case. Okay, and let's weigh it. It's pretty heavy. I think it's cool. Awesome. So this was a look at an unboxing. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun. I'm going to enjoy having this at my desk and just picking it up, you know, sort of when I'm thinking or I'm trying to figure something out. It'd be nice to have this and just play with it for like from back in the day. Wow. I think any kid from the 70s and 80s will enjoy getting one of these. I think it's a great price as a gift. All right, so I hope the video helps. The link and info is below. Bye now.
It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.